Contixo F19 drone with 1080p camera for adults and kids, RC foldable quadcopter with 4-way obstacle avoidance, follow me, Waypoint Fly, altitude hold. Product details. Eyes in the sky and experience the fun with the Contixo F19 2022 new released pocket obstacle avoidance drone. The latest engineering in drone technology has built with this drone. With being simple and easy to fly, you gain full control with obstacle avoidance and wonderful experience all of its features for beginners and experts alike. Once you play with it and you'll totally love it. Product features. 4-way obstacle avoidance. Contixo F19 is equipped with 360-degree environmental perception and laser obstacle avoidance functions. It can sense the distance of obstacles, and the drone will stop moving when encountered obstacles. 1080p ultra-clear camera. 1080p camera with 90-degree wide angle and 90-degree manual adjustable provides high-resolution pictures, enabling to capture a perfect shot. Up to 100 feet FPV transmission delivers smooth and stable video even at a high speed. Better flight experience. With 2 batteries, you get the total of up to 30 minutes flight time experience. And functions such as Waypoint Fly, altitude hold, Headless Mode, one-key takeoff and landing makes it easy for beginners to start on your journey with the drone. No FAA license required. Contixo F19 1080p drone with camera has a compact design that allows the quadcopter arms and propeller blades to be folded. The small drone design, folded dimension, 5.592.912.04, and weighs less than 249 grams, 0.55 pounds. You don't need to register your drone with the government. Excellent choice for beginners or experts. Intelligent functions. Contixo F19 can trace and follow automatically based on the path you set or fly around the point in circles, without circle fly. You can also pose to the camera to take photos or videos without a click of a button.